Noise pollution is invisible danger. It cannot be seen, but it is present unless both on land and under the sea. Noise pollution is considered to be any unwanted or disturbing sounds that affects the health and well-being of humans and other organisms.
Some of the major causes are the vehicle, aircraft, loudspeaker, etc. Some of other appliances always contribute to noise pollution like television, transistor, radio, etc. when used at high volume.
Air pollution is a mixture of salt particles and gases in the air. Car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spores may be suspended as particles. Ozone gas is a major part of air pollution in cities. When ozone forms, air pollution is called smog. When air pollutions are personal, air pollution can be classified into two sections: invisible and visible air pollution. Visible air pollution, as the name suggests, can be visible. The smoke you can see over a city is an example for visible pollution. Invisible air pollution are less noticeable, but they can more deadly. Good examples of invisible pollution air pollutions are sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxide.
What is air pollution? Air pollution is the mixture of salt particles and gases in the air. Care essential chemical from affections use pollution and pollution responses may be chosen to has a particular ozone against is a major part of air pollution in cities. And when ozone from air pollution, it's also called SOMGO. Same air pollutions are poisons.
Radioactive pollution. It happens due to the release of radioactive substance into the environment during nuclear explosion and disposal of radioactive waste and accidents at nuclear power plants.
The radioactive pollution affects our environment. The radioactive wastes cannot be destroyed and hence they remain our environment for a longer period of time. The disposal of radioactive waste may cause pollution and damage the environment.
Water pollution is caused when water bodies such river, groundwater, oceans are contaminated through industrial and agricultural effluents like marine dumping, industrial waste, agricultural waste, oil leakage, etc. We can avoid the pollution or reduce its effect through avoiding the dumping and recycling the waste, etc.
Soil pollution. What is soil pollution? It is the presence of toxic chemicals in soil and in high concentration to pose a risk to human health or the ecosystem. The main causes of soil pollution are acid rain, industrial activities, waste disposal, agricultural activities, etc. The types of soil pollutions are agriculture pollution due to excess use of pesticides and insecticides, soil pollution by industrial discharge of chemicals, soil pollution due to solid waste, and the soil pollution due to urban activities.
What are the different causes of soil pollution? The discharge of industrial waste into soil can result in soil pollution. The use of insecticides, pesticides for a long period can cause soil pollution. Disposal of plastic and other solid waste is a serious issue that causes soil pollution. Soil pollution can also be caused when pollutants present in the air mix with the rain and fall back on the ground. Effects of soil pollution. Soil pollution affects the health of humans, plants, and animals. Crop or plants grown on such contaminated soil absorbs toxic material from the soil and will decrease the agriculture output of a land. When animals or human beings consume these crops or plants, the toxic material can pass into their body.
Long-term consumption of these crops may cause chronic diseases that are non-treatable. Children are easily more susceptible to exposure to contaminants because they came in close contact with the soil by playing in the ground. So it is always important to test the quality of the soil before allowing the children to play there, especially in an industrialized area. Some preventive measures of soil pollution are: land farming should be promoted for waste treatment, recycling of waste before disposal, proper maintenance of the sewage system, use plants to extract heavy metals, use of natural manure or use of organic fertilizers instead of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, the proper disposal method of household and industrial waste. Reforestation and afforestation should be promoted.